Hello yogis, it's Rosalie here, coming to you from the beautiful Asia Society in Hong Kong. And welcome to this 5-minute yoga flow for beginners that's going to give you a big boost of energy in just a few minutes. We're going to get started today right away in a standing position at the top of your mats. Go ahead and lift your toes up and press them down into the mat. So standing in a mountain pose, engaging your legs, drawing the belly button in. Let's bring our hands here at our heart space. All together, we're going to take a big inhale through the nose. And exhale it out. Your next inhale, go ahead and reach the arms up and overhead, palms touch. Now, as you exhale, put a big bend through your knees. Bring your hands down onto the mat. Inhale to a nice flat back, bringing the hands up the shins. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, we're going to reach the arms up and overhead. And as you exhale, come straight back down, hands down onto the mat. But we're going to walk our toes now so they're hip-width distance apart. Your knees are still really nice and bent. Folding your arms, grabbing opposite elbows. Just add a little sway here from side to side. Maybe shaking your head a little bit from side to side. Now I want you to keep your knees bent. Plant your left palm right underneath your face. As you inhale, you're going to reach the right hand up, straightening the right leg. So coming into a little twist. Take a big inhale here. You can also be up on your fingertips. Exhale, bending both knees, replacing the right hand underneath your face. As you inhale, reach the left arm up, maybe straightening now that left leg. Inhale it here. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Inhale once again, hands up the shins, nice flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Keep your left foot where it is. Send your right leg back behind you. So here you are in a low lunge. Make sure that left knee is stacked above or slightly behind your ankle. Little rock from side to side. Let's go ahead and plant the right hand down. As you inhale, reach the left arm up. Nice big twist here. Exhale, left hand comes down. Drop the back knee down, release the toes. As you inhale, go ahead and reach the arms up. As you exhale, sink your hips down a little bit more. Moving with a breath, inhale to come up. Exhale, can you sink it back down? One more time, big inhale. Exhale, down. And then we'll release the hands on either side of that left foot. As you exhale, send the hips back towards the heels, straightening that left leg. Add a little sway from side to side. We're going to move with the breath here. Inhale to look up. Exhale to fold. Inhale to look up. Exhale to fold. One more time, big inhale. Exhale down, so nice. Walk it back, tuck the toes of the back foot, plant both hands. Now step that left foot back to come into a downward dog. So think about making an upside down letter V with your body. Long arms, long legs, your hips are at the highest point. Maybe you might feel nice just to pedal out through your legs, sending your heels down towards the mat. When you're ready, we're going to float the right leg up towards the sky. As you exhale, bring the right foot in between your hands. You can use your right hand to help you if you need to. Make sure that right knee is stacked above or slightly behind the ankle. We're going to come up on our fingertips, looking forward. Just add a little sway from side to side. And then we're going to come into that lunge twist. Plant the left hand down. As you inhale, reach the right hand up. Really strong back leg. Push the heel towards the back. Take one more inhale here. As you exhale, the right hand comes down. Drop the back knee. Release the toes. This time we're going to bring our hands behind us, interlace the fingers. Take a big inhale. Exhale, sink through the hips, reach the hands behind you. Inhale to come up. Exhale, can you sink it a little bit more? One more, nice big inhale. Exhale, good. Come to your max, then release the hands. And as you exhale, shift the hips towards your back foot, straightening that right leg. Little sway here from side to side for a moment. Softening and releasing the back of the leg. Let's move with a breath. Inhale to look up, nice flat back. Exhale to fall. Inhale to look up. Exhale down. One more just like that. Big inhale. Exhale down. We're going to walk our hands back. Plant the palms down. Tuck the toes of the back foot. This time, step it back into a plank. Nice strong plank. Press the palms into the mat. Push the heels towards the back. Reach the crown up. Draw the belly button in. Just a little sway from side to side here just for a moment. Big inhale. As you exhale, drop the knees. Release the toes. Bring yourself all the way down, keeping those elbows hugging the body. Roll the shoulders back. Peel the chest up into cobra. So you're really pressing the tops of your feet and your hips into the mat. As you exhale, you come down, and we're just going to push it back into a child's pose. Big toes together, knees wide apart. Really reach out through your fingers and let your whole body just soften down. Well, thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell to be notified every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next class.